Hi, welcome to this tutorial from DrivePro. Today we are going to be looking at adding photos and media to your trips. You can use photos and videos from any device, but if you use photos from smartphones or video from devices with built-in GPS or timestamps, such as the newer GoPros, things will be much easier for you because we can extract the timestamp of the file and find the trip that it belongs to automatically. However, if you don't have a camera that supports timestamps, that's fine too, because you can just set the timestamp yourself. Let's get started with uploading a photo. First you need to be on the vehicle page and then find the media tab. And then all you need to do is click the upload button to start uploading a file. Once a file is selected, we'll look for the timestamp and find the right trip for you. We'll then show you some information about the trip, along with the location. To complete the upload, click the Start Upload button. Once uploaded, you'll be taken back to the Media tab, and you can click the View Trip button to see the new media synced with the trip GPS data. Trip media locations will be shown on the map with a purple camera pin and also viewable under the Media tab. To view the trip media, click the thumbnail or drag the timeline to the media position. The image will be shown under the Media tab. Click the image to see a bigger version. Uploading a video file is just the same. You need to set the timestamp to the start of the video so that we can sync the video file with the GPS data. In this case, the video was captured from a GoPro 7, so the timestamp was set automatically. However, you can adjust the timestamp manually if needed. Video files will take a little while to upload. Once the video has uploaded, it can then take a few minutes for the video file to be processed. Once this is complete, you can view the synced video just like we did with the photos. When the video plays, the GPS position on the map and the speed will be updated. And if you move the timeline, the correct video frame will also be shown. If you create a trip share or a vehicle share for a period of time, all the media for that period will be shared as well. Let's create a vehicle share for today so that we can see the route I took as well as the photo and video files that we've uploaded as part of this tutorial. Let's go back to the vehicle page and add the share. As you can see, once the share is created, we can see all of our photos and videos, and the map will update as the files are shown. Now all you need to do is share the page with your riding buddies, friends, or even your social media accounts. You can even use this feature to share dashcam footage with your insurer if you are making a claim. We really hope you enjoy using this new feature, and we'll be looking forward to seeing some of your adventures online. If you have any questions, please contact support via email or using the online chat on the website.